But so let's talk about how did you actually find the right lead magnet, right? Because I'm a big believer in this too, Marissa. Your email list is probably the lifeblood of your business, right?
Mhm.
How did you develop a lead magnet that really worked? Did you have to go through several to get to the one that's really converting? How did you get there?
Let's see, with my lead magnet, I knew I wanted to do an ebook style lead magnet. I knew I wanted to make it valuable for sure.
Mhm.
I think it's like 10 or 11 pages, um but to be completely honest, I paid for a mastermind which taught a lot about funnel types, having a webinar funnel, and the best types of lead magnets to have. And so I constructed my lead magnet based on the mastermind that I was in, to give away a very good piece of value. And it's not just you subscribe to my freebie and that's it. It's a nurturing sequence. It's like
Yeah.
there's more value over the next days that I give out, just other types of worksheets and tools that realistically people can use. It's not just, some dinky information. It's I really put a lot of thought into that whole lead magnet and the follow-up sequence that people are getting because it
Yeah.
matters.
I like that. And are you funneling a lot of people via that little the little tag that pops up at the beginning or at the top of the YouTube video? Is that a good actual traffic generator for the lead magnet there? Because that's not something I've experimented with. Typically, when I'm adding those, um, I'm
Cards.
missing the cards, right? Typically, when I'm
Uh-huh.
adding a card, it's just hey, go check out this other video that's related to this video. Um, which actually, I want to ask you about this, Marissa. This is
Hmm.
interesting, right? I'm always conflicted to recommend someone leave the video that they're watching to go watch another video. What are your thoughts on that, right? Because I want them to watch the whole thing, you
Yeah,
know. So when are you putting in your cards?
I put them in. That's a good question. I try to keep it towards the middle or the end.
Like after the 40% viewed point?
Yeah, yeah, I do. And I'll also leave them in the description. But I think more so what I try to focus on is the end screen. To me, the end screen is very important too, because there's two click-through rates on your channel. There's the click-through rate where people click and click on a thumbnail and decide to watch your video. But
Mhm.
then there's another click-through rate at the end of the end screen or at the end of your video where they decide to click through and watch the next video that's coming up, which is super important to your channel and getting more watch time on your channel. I never end my videos. I never like, oh, thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you had a great, like, never, you'll never see that. I just
Interesting.
tell them, just go watch more. If you like this, let's go and watch the next one. See you there.
I like
That's
that a
it.
lot. So at the end of your video, instead of saying, thanks for watching, see you later, you're saying, hey, by the way, check out this video. It's going to really add value to your life. Something like that,
Mhm.
right?
Yep.
That's
That's exactly right.
I love that. I love that. And that's something, that is pretty easy to do. You don't have to go through a lot of post-production stuff for that, right? You can just incorporate that into the actual recording of the video itself.
Yep. You can.
I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Cool. So Marissa's here is laying out basically all the framework you need to have a successful channel, to generate leads, to get cash, to get paid. We've talked a lot about affiliate marketing, but I want to go a little bit deeper into that topic. How are you finding the right places to send people? Obviously, there's Amazon, which is kind of like the easy affiliate marketing funnel. Where else do you like for sending people, and how can we find great affiliate leads?
Um, let's see. I'm big on promoting tools and softwares because I think that's something that everybody uses and something that everybody needs.
Yeah.
So I'm really big on giving value on how to use a certain type of software. Um, and just having maybe the key with affiliate marketing, if it's something you're trying to grow, is to offer bonuses when people buy through you. So for example, maybe there's I don't know, a workout app that you use and you like, maybe a bonus that that you give with that workout app is help with how to get started and your favorite features of the app and how to use it and stuff like that. So I think that's a big key with affiliate marketing is just that. As far as networks, you know, it just really depends on what niche you're in.
Yeah.
Because there's so many now. There's health networks and obviously a ton of internet marketing products that you can market out there. But I would say like the low hanging fruit in your business should be promoting like what it is you're already using.
Yeah. No, I
And
like that a
in
lot.
your life, yeah.
It comes off as more genuine too when you're actually
Mhm.
recommending a product or service that you use. Like vidIQ is something I like to promote because it's just
Right.
it's really changed my life in a lot of ways, and it just really helpful for
Mhm.
optimization. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you enjoyed this episode. I've got several other episodes right here for you. Smash one of these videos to make sure that you don't miss out on the tips, tools, and tactics of industry experts. Let's take that side hustle full time. Smash one of these links.